Watch this.
Zie je groot mannetje bij was eigenlijk toch wel geleden.
In the video you just watched, there is a lion attacking a Cape buffalo. These buffalo, they are mostly found in African forests. These buffaloes, they can be very big and weigh up to 2,000 pounds, more than that of a big cow. They are very strong and they are renowned for being very brutal. They rank top 5 most brutal animals in the savannah. Even though lions attack buffaloes, but most times it can be very risky. It can lead to injuries or even death of the lions. That's why lions depend on teamwork to get down a buffalo. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.